The United States of America, a vast and diverse country, is home to some of the world's most iconic cities, each offering its unique blend of culture, history, and attractions. From the bustling streets of New York City to the laid-back charm of San Francisco, these cities showcase the rich tapestry of American life and provide endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. In this video, we delve into the 5 best cities to visit in the USA, highlighting the must-see attractions and experiences that make each destination unforgettable. Number 5. Las Vegas, Nevada. Known as the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas is a city like no other, offering visitors a dazzling array of attractions, shows, and experiences. From the iconic Las Vegas Strip, lined with glamorous casinos and world-class hotels, to the vibrant Fremont Street experience, with its dazzling light shows and live entertainment, there's never a dull moment in this desert oasis. Visitors can also explore nearby natural wonders such as the Grand Canyon or indulge in fine dining, shopping, and nightlife, making Las Vegas a destination that truly has something for everyone. Number 4. Chicago, Illinois. Located on the shores of Lake Michigan, Chicago is a dynamic city known for its stunning architecture, vibrant arts scene, and world-class cuisine. Visitors can marvel at iconic landmarks such as the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower, take a leisurely stroll along the scenic Lakefront Trail, or explore the city's renowned museums and galleries, including the Art Institute of Chicago and the Museum of Science and Industry. Chicago is also famous for its deep dish pizza, Chicago-style hot dogs, and diverse culinary scene, offering a delicious taste of the city's rich cultural heritage. Number 3. Los Angeles, California. As the entertainment capital of the world, Los Angeles is a city of dreams, offering visitors a glimpse into the glamorous world of Hollywood and beyond. Visitors can explore iconic attractions such as the Hollywood Walk of Fame, Universal Studios Hollywood, and the Getty Center, or relax on the sun-soaked beaches of Santa Monica and Venice. Los Angeles is also known for its diverse neighborhoods, including the trendy arts district of downtown LA, the chic boutiques of Beverly Hills, and the vibrant cultural enclave of Koreatown, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Number 2. San Francisco, California. Perched on the hills overlooking the San Francisco Bay, San Francisco is a city of stunning beauty, vibrant culture, and eclectic charm. Visitors can marvel at iconic landmarks such as the Golden Gate Bridge, take a leisurely stroll through the historic streets of the Presidio, or ride the famous cable cars up and down the city's steep hills. San Francisco is also known for its diverse culinary scene, with a plethora of world-class restaurants serving up everything from fresh seafood to artisanal pastries. Additionally, the city's vibrant arts scene, thriving tech industry, and rich cultural heritage make it a destination that captivates visitors from around the world. Number 1. New York City, New York. As the largest city in the United States and one of the world's most iconic destinations, New York City needs no introduction. From the towering skyscrapers of Manhattan to the leafy streets of Central Park, the city is a bustling metropolis brimming with energy, excitement, and endless possibilities. Visitors can explore world-famous attractions such as Times Square, the Statue of Liberty, and the Empire State Building, or immerse themselves in the city's rich cultural scene, with Broadway shows, museums, galleries, and concert halls at every turn. New York City is also a melting pot of cultures, offering a diverse array of culinary delights, shopping experiences, and neighborhoods to explore, making it a destination that truly has something for everyone. From the glitz and glamour of Las Vegas to the iconic skyline of New York City, each of these cities offers a unique and unforgettable experience for visitors exploring the United States. Whether you're marveling at world-famous landmarks, indulging in delicious cuisine, or immersing yourself in vibrant cultural scenes, these cities are sure to leave a lasting impression and create memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, book your ticket, and prepare to embark on an adventure through the best cities that the USA has to offer. But before you board and set off on your exciting journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll stay updated with our latest travel guides, tips, and adventures from around the world. Bon voyage, and we'll see you on the next destination.